The zoom slider disappearing in Excel is usually caused by a simple interface setting or a specific view mode that disables certain toolbar element. Here is how to bring it back. First, you need to check the status bar. Setting most likely fix the status bar is the thin stripe at the very bottom of the Excel window. You can choose which shortcut appears there. So the right click anywhere on the status bar at the bottom of the screen, and now look for the zoom slider in the menu that pop-ups. And here is the zoom slider. If there is no check mark next it to, check it to the enable, and also make sure zoom is also checked so the percentage also shown up. And here you can see that the zoom slider is bring back on the status bar. Moreover, sometimes zoom slider is present but the view mode make its interface look different. So for this you need to go to the view tab, click on the view tab and ensure it should be the normal view. If you are in a specialized view, for example the page break view, you might not be able to see the zoom slider. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.